Here is how to create a second YouTube channel. So first of all, you need to go to youtube.com and log into your specific account. So if you're planning to create content that's different from your existing channel, a second channel is a great way to keep your audiences separate. So alternatively, you might want a second channel to create a channel with your own brand name. So to add a channel, make sure that you're signed in first. Click on the profile picture icon in the top right corner of your screen. From the menu that appears, select settings. From this page, you'll get the section of your YouTube channel under which you'll get the option of create a new channel. Go ahead and select it. And here, enter the name of that specific channel. Also enter the handle. Then select create channel, which is highlighted in blue color in the bottom. And it's best to make it unique so it stands out. And you should then be able to select it and you can access your channel. And you can access your channel studio by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner, and then you can switch between your channels as well. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.